Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fun Steps Academy. Today, we will answer a really interesting question. Why is the ocean salty? Oceans cover most of Earth and contain vast amounts of salt. If extracted, the salt could cover land in a thick layer. The key question, where did all this salt come from? 1. Ocean salt. Not just table salt, NaCl. It's a mix of ions, chloride, sodium, sulfate, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Average salinity, 35 parts per thousand, 3.5%. Stable for millions of years. 2. Weathering and erosion. Rainwater, slightly acidic, breaks down rocks, releases minerals like sodium, calcium, into rivers. Rivers carry 4 billion kilograms of salt daily to oceans. This is the main source of ocean salt. 3. Hydrothermal vents. Seawater enters cracks in the ocean floor, heats up, and dissolves minerals. Superheated water releases these minerals back into the ocean, adds metals and chemicals shaping ocean chemistry. 4. Volcanic activity. Underwater volcanoes release minerals directly into oceans. Land volcanoes release gases that dissolve in rain and reach oceans, major source of chloride ions in seawater. 5. Water cycle. Why salt stays. Evaporation removes only pure water, not salt. Salt remains behind and accumulates. Explains why oceans are salty but rain is fresh. 6. Salt budget. Why salinity is stable. Salt entering the ocean is balanced by removal processes. Sea spray, marine organisms, shell formation, hydrothermal absorption, evaporate deposits. This balance keeps salinity nearly constant over time. 7. Why lakes are fresh. Lakes have outlets, so minerals flow out. Oceans have no outlet, so salts accumulate. Example, the Dead Sea is extremely salty due to no drainage. 8. Importance of salinity. Drives thermohaline circulation, global ocean currents. Regulates climate and heat distribution. Essential for marine life and osmosis. Affects buoyancy and ship design. Alrighty, let's have an MCQ quiz now and see what you remember. 1. What is the average salinity of the world's oceans? A. 3.5 parts per hundred. B. 35 parts per thousand. C. 10 parts per thousand. D. 100 parts per million. Answer B. 35 parts per thousand. 2. What is the primary source of dissolved minerals in the ocean? A. Volcanic eruptions only. B. Hydrothermal vents only. C. Weathering and erosion of rocks carried by rivers. D. Evaporation of rainwater. Answer C. Weathering and erosion of rocks carried by rivers. 3. What are hydrothermal vents? A. Underwater geysers that release minerals into the ocean. B. Underwater volcanoes that form islands. C. Deep ocean trenches. D. Underwater caves formed by coral. Answer A. Underwater geysers that release minerals into the ocean. 4. Why does evaporation make the ocean saltier? A. Evaporation carries salt into the atmosphere. B. Only water evaporates, salt is left behind. C. Evaporation converts salt into gas. D. Evaporation adds minerals from the atmosphere. Answer B. Only water evaporates, salt is left behind. 5. Why is the Dead Sea so much saltier than normal oceans? A. It is deeper than normal seas. B. It receives water from multiple rivers. C. It has no outlet. Intense evaporation concentrates salt. D. It is located near many volcanoes. Answer C. It has no outlet. Intense evaporation concentrates salt. 6. What is thermohaline circulation? A. The process of salt entering rivers. B. Ocean currents driven by differences in temperature and salinity. C. The evaporation of seawater. D. The movement of tectonic plates under the ocean. Answer B. Ocean currents driven by differences in temperature and salinity. 7. Why are most lakes fresh while the ocean is salty? A. Lakes receive less rainfall. B. Lakes are too shallow for salt to accumulate. C. Lakes have outlets. The ocean is a terminal basin with no exit. D. Rivers do not flow into lakes. Answer C. Lakes have outlets. The ocean is a terminal basin with no exit. 8. What is the most abundant dissolved ion in seawater? A. Sodium. B. Calcium. C. Magnesium. D. Chloride. Answer D. Chloride. I hope all your answers were correct. Comment down below and compare with everyone else. Finally, it is time for the fun fact of today's video. Did you know ocean salt totals about 50 quadrillion tons, could cover Earth in a 45-meter thick layer? Salinity has remained stable despite billions of years of input. Isn't that interesting? Ocean salt accumulated over billions of years from rocks, rivers, volcanoes, and ocean floor processes, maintained by a precise natural balance. Salinity is essential for climate, ecosystems, and life on Earth. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun Steps Academy.